or fulfillment line. You want to control okay. Freight terms updation, I would like to control. Freight term update, I would like to control. Not allowed to update. This is just a number. You can enter any number randomly, no problem. I'm selecting order header. Why I'm selecting order header, you'll understand shortly when the order is submitted. When the sales order header was submitted, then I want a message to be displayed. Mr. User allowed to update items after the sales order submission. Okay, I'm restricting the item updation, and I'm popping up this message. And at what point of time I'm restricting this? After the sales order was submitted. And this constraint is applicable to which roles? This constraint is applicable to which roles? If you select all roles, so it's applicable to everybody. It's applicable to everybody. To every sales order, it is applicable. Okay. So click on save and click on generate packages. And save and generate package. Now, okay, the sales order is also ready here. We will test this. So this is completed. It's gonna refresh the API basically, technically speaking. And I'm gonna submit the sales order to validate this constraint. Make sure we enter the freight terms. Freight terms is defaulted based on our defaulting rules, transformation rules. We just enter the warehouse and I'll submit the order.
Hey, Krishna. Hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me. I'm drinking water. Tell me.
Okay. So the currency it is showing in the header section. That is a functional currency, which is attached to ledger.
Correct.
But in the test instance, last week it didn't show up currency equal to blank. So we have to do actions and view currency details. Then we have to set up to show it as a currency.
Yeah.
Correct. If it doesn't show up, then we have to go to actions and view currency details. We have to set the currency there, right?
Correct.
Okay. Thank you.
Correct. That's right. You gained a lot of knowledge, Raju.
We are going through the all the old documents from time to time. Yeah. Otherwise, there is no way we can remember as a beginner.
You already worked on EBS earlier?
No.
Directly you learn Fusion?
Yes. Yeah. First time onto ERP.
Okay. So first time you're attending my classes, right?
That's true. Yes.
Okay, so you're a beginner to Fusion then.
Right.
Good. You gained a lot of knowledge. Okay, now I'm updating the sales order. To update the sales order, you have to create a revision. Go to actions and create a revision. Yeah, after my training, so if you practice continuously, then you can gain this much of knowledge. You can project 4 years experience also, and for implementations also you can project your region in your resume. But again, you have to practice regularly, not by just attending the classes. With the practice, you are able to gain that knowledge. Okay, now I'm updating the sales order, which is already submitted. I would like to change the payment term and freight term. I'm changing it. I'm expecting a pop-up. See the last one says. Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
So controlling the actions. And this also you can set to a specific roles also. Only specific role persons should be able to see this constraint. Like that also we can set in the setup. Okay, and last setup in the order management is order profiles. Last setup. I know I'm giving one example, but hope you understand, right? It's not possible to cover up everything in this time. That's from our academics also. Faculty is going to give you one example. You have to try the other examples from the book. Correct?
Yes, that's true. Yeah. No one can come, finish all.
Yeah, to finish
scenarios.
everything. Yeah, you have to resolve the other problems, and any questions you have to ask. Okay. Next, no, I didn't find anything important in the profile options. Then we'll see. I think even I don't remember anything there. But let's open that and show you. Order profile, sales order profile options, or order management profile options. Profile options for the order management. So what is the default currency conversion rate type? And so what currency should be displayed in the orchestration work area? What currency should be displayed in the orchestration work area? And define default customer user to filter the this is related to, yeah, I never used all these profile options to explore along with you. Okay, we'll do one thing. We will explore this tomorrow. Rashekar, mute yourself. We'll see this tomorrow, okay? I'll spend some time along with you because I never used any of these profile options. We'll see. This is logs and skip availability when searching the item. Enable this option to skip availability when searching for an item to improve performance. Oh. Enable skip calculating price totals and skip price validation when user updates or adds or line. This is also to performance. Huh? Okay. Enable sequential processing of events from procurement system. Sequential. I didn't find anything important here to explicitly talk about. One thing is here, if you are using the credit card functionality, credit card, like you're taking the payments from the customers through credit card. In case you should enable this, enable credit card functionality in OM. Other than that, I didn't find anything important to be discussed over here. Okay, but just remember that this order management profile option is also there. If you, during implementation, if required, just come back and then just verify if anything is applicable to your project. Explore that. That's about configurations. So we are done with every setup. So from tomorrow onwards, we get into the cycles. On top of our configurations, we will see standard sales order cycle where we ship and bill. And you have to try ship only and bill only. And we will try this new orchestration in the class. That's this one. This one we will try in the class. I will explain you normal sales order. You have to try bill only, ship only. Okay. And I will show you this new orchestration. And later I will show you the written sales order. After that, drop ship and back to back. And while discussing this normal sales order, I will bring up different scenarios. Not only here, in case of dropship and back-to-back also, I will bring up different scenarios. You have to try those scenarios also. Okay. So next 1 week is more interesting. More interesting next 1 week. Okay. So any questions?
Sir, I've sent one doubt. Actually.
Freight charges, huh?
Yeah. Actually, I added this shipping cost here. I created one attribute also using the manage shipping cost types. I added it is added here, but it's not appearing at the invoice level.
Invoice level, invoice is not showing.
Yeah, invoice it is not showing. It is only showing the order total. Is this shipping charge? Can I assume it as a freight charge? I mean,
yes, it's a freight only.
It's a freight only.
Okay. Yeah, is it showing as a freight in the invoice total amount, invoice total breakup amount?
No, it's not showing anything. It's showing zero freight types. Even any shipping charge, anything, it's not even appearing this $30.
And you are able to generate this freight cost based on the shipping charges list, right?
No, actually, it's not from the shipping charge list. Already, if you will just make a click on plus now, it's giving one
here.
Yeah, here itself.
Okay. If you add in the sales order, it will display in the invoice, but not sure if you record here where it will display. I think this won't interface to invoice, I believe. This is the internal tracking of how you are shipping cost. But if you want to display in the invoice, you have to show it in the sales order. That's the right way of the practice, correct? Because you want to charge from your customer. If you want to charge from your customer, you have to display in the sales order, the freight charge. If you apply freight charges in the sales order, then that will show up on the invoice. So this is for your internal purpose. This seems to be.
But if I'm adding the shipping charges, so at the order level, what option should I select? Like collect freight, add freight, add freight?
No. Ship method, because you are automatically creating the. I told you a couple of options. I spent a lot of time there. One is you add a freight line. You add a freight item. That is one thing. Other thing is you can able to generate the shipping charges based on the shipping charges list. In the shipping charges list, you can calculate the freight charges based on the item and based on the ship method.
Okay, so if I'll select the ship method, accordingly that shipping charge will appear.
Correct, correct. The item or ship method accordingly, automatically the shipping charges is added to your order total. And you can see that breakup also. If you add there, it will display on the invoice.
Got it.
If you're just adding at the shipment level, this is internal tracking, it seems to be.
Okay, got it. So at the order header level, I need to select ship method, and freight terms no need to select. Or can I select anything like
anything you can, don't select also, no problem.
Okay, okay. Only the ship method.
If you don't select also, it's not a problem. Okay.
Okay.
Next question, please.
Notes. Got it. I'll try this one.
Okay.
So, hello, sir.
Yeah, madam, tell me.
Yesterday I created one sales order, sir, with 2 items.
Okay.
And status for one item is closed, and status for other item is not started.
Okay.
So I tried to delete the item whose status is not started, but system is throwing an error. But I want to delete that item line, sir. Can we achieve that?
What error you received, madam? Did you send me any email?
Once it is closed, once the line is closed, you can't change any, can't delete or make any changes to that.
Do you have the order number with you? And
yes, sir. It is 98413.
1 second. Instance, madam.
Latest one, sir. Yesterday, 66. Yeah, same one.
Okay. Ashish, if you're recording a cost here, okay, that's between your company and your logistic company, like 3PL, who is shipping the product to the customer. Okay, you're not charging the customer if you're adding here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It's between your third-party logistics provider.
Oh, okay. It's not for the customer.
Customer, no.
Okay, got it.
Sorry, I should search it. Tell me, madam, number.
98413, sir.
Okay. You want to cancel this one?
Yes, sir.
You want to delete this one?
Delete it, sir, actually.
Okay. You want to see delete option now? You revised and you are deleting it?
No, sir, I have not tried revisions.
Okay. You should have tried. Is it now, if no, delete is not there, cancel is there, at least try both of them. And also already some error is there. Scheduling issue is there. Let me try to revise it. Tell me.
This header status is still showing processing, no, sir. But I created this pick wave and bill of lading. There, the status is showing closed for this order, sir.
The header status, it will be closed when you run a program called update or close sales.
It was successful even after the program was successful, sir. But still, here the status is not changing. To
here in this instances, is that's not working properly.
Okay.
Yeah. In the demo instance, in the test instance, it's not working properly. If you run that program automatically, it's going to close all the sales orders that you created by that time. Okay. I revised the sales order. Now let's see. Cancel option is there, madam. Delete option is not there.
Okay, sir.
For canceling the line. Okay. cancellation. Okay, status is cancelled, and then resubmit the order. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, can I create another item in the same sales order? Sir?
Yes, madam. You can add. You can add till the sales order header closed. You can add new items into the sales order.
Okay.
So this is how the business users can save the time. Instead of creating a fresh new order, they can open the order, old order, and they can
existing order and
yeah, they can add item into that instead of adding up all the header information. Okay, to control that, that's why the business is gonna close all the sales orders at the end of the month. Otherwise, what business user gonna do? They're gonna open the old sales orders also, right?
yes, sir.
That's why the business closes all the sales order at the end of the month.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any more doubts? Okay, see you tomorrow then.
Yeah, thank you.
Are you there? Vijita, you said you have some questions.
Yeah, Krishna, I'm there.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.